Okay, I am preparing for my day 6 fast break or break fast tomorrow morning. And so I wanted to show you how I make my own broth. I make sure that my vegetables are large so it's easy to scoop out. So some of the vegetables that you see here, and it's about to start boiling, are onions, cabbage, broccoli, kale, celery, mushrooms, cilantro, carrots. The celery gives it a little bit of a salty taste. There's reverse osmosis water in here. I think that's all that I've got right now. But I clean the vegetables, put them in there, and just let them do their work. And when it's time to separate the onions, because even the onions, look, the onions are whole, but they'll seep out whatever they need to seep out. So it's very simple to make your own broth, and I want to encourage you to consider doing it yourself. And when I take the vegetables out, sometimes I make a puree and I put it in ice trays so that I have them for the future. So I can take a chunk, I put them in the ice trays and take a chunk out whenever I want some veggies and in my meal. So here we go. That is what I do. I forgot. So then you get it boiling, and then I reduce to like a low simmer and let them just, did I say cilantro? Yeah, I think so. And I leave it in a slow simmer and enjoy. Yummy.